Want restaurant-style pizza at home without building a traditional brick pizza oven? Today we're reviewing the Ooni Koda 16 Propane Gas Pizza Oven, a large outdoor pizza oven with a 16-inch cooking area, gas-powered operation, a 28 bar regulator and gas hose, and an innovative L-shaped burner. It can reach temperatures of up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, making it capable of cooking Neapolitan-style pizza in as little as 60 seconds. But does the Koda 16 actually make professional quality pizza easy at home? Let's find out. The Ooni Koda 16 is designed for outdoor cooking and is especially appealing to pizza lovers who want high heat without the work of managing wood or charcoal. Its extra-large 16-inch cooking area gives you enough room for a full-size pizza while also providing space to rotate the pizza during cooking. The oven has a wide opening and a Cordierite stone baking board, while its gas-powered design gives you straightforward temperature control. For backyard pizza nights and entertaining, that larger cooking area can be a major advantage. Let's start with the biggest feature, high heat. The Koda 16 can reach up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, or 500 degrees Celsius, in around 20 minutes. At those temperatures, the oven is designed to cook Neapolitan-style pizzas extremely quickly, potentially in about 60 seconds when conditions and technique are right. The L-shaped gas burner is another important design feature. Instead of concentrating the flame in one small area, the L-shaped burner helps distribute heat across the oven and supports one-turn cooking. That means you can rotate the pizza during cooking rather than constantly repositioning it. And because the oven runs on gas, you can focus more on preparing the pizza and less on managing a fire. The 16-inch cooking surface is where the Koda 16 really separates itself from smaller pizza ovens. You can cook large pizzas, but the oven can also handle foods such as bread and larger cuts of meat, giving it some versatility beyond pizza. The oven uses a Cordierite stone baking board, which helps create the high-temperature cooking surface needed for crisp pizza bases. The gas setup is also relatively straightforward, although it's important to use the correct regulator and hose configuration for your specific gas supply and regional model. For the Amazon version you're reviewing, make sure the included 28 bar regulator and gas hose match the requirements of your local propane setup before use. In real-world use, the Koda 16's biggest strength is speed. Once the stone is fully heated, the extremely high cooking temperature allows pizzas to cook dramatically faster than in a conventional home oven. The large opening also gives you plenty of room to launch and rotate a pizza, while the L-shaped flame helps with heat distribution. An independent 2026 review also highlighted the Koda 16 as a strong choice for larger pizzas, noting its spacious cooking surface and even heat distribution. However, there's still a learning curve. High-temperature pizza cooking happens very quickly, so dough thickness, hydration, turning technique, and stone temperature all affect the final result. And because this is a large outdoor oven weighing around 40 pounds, it's portable enough to move when needed, but it's not something most people will want to carry around frequently. So, is the Ooni Koda 16 Propane Gas Pizza Oven worth buying? If you're serious about making large, restaurant-style pizzas at home, the Koda 16 is definitely worth considering. Its combination of a 16-inch cooking area, 950 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, L-shaped gas burner, Cordierite stone, and convenient propane operation makes it a powerful outdoor pizza oven. It's especially appealing for families, pizza enthusiasts, and anyone who regularly hosts outdoor gatherings. The main trade-offs are its size, weight, premium price, and the learning curve that comes with cooking pizza at extremely high temperatures. But once you get the technique right, the Koda 16 can turn your backyard into a serious pizza-making station. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of pizza ovens, outdoor cooking equipment, kitchen appliances, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.